3 minus 3, we will get 0 into 3 minus 3, we will get 0. 0 into 0 equal to 0. But this answer is completely wrong because it does not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, parentheses have higher priority, then exponential, then multiplication and division have the same priority, then addition and subtraction have same priority. Here you can see we have subtraction, multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So we have to calculate the multiplication first. So 3 into 3, we will get 9. 3 minus 9 minus 3. 3 minus 9, we will get minus 6. Minus 6 minus 3, we will get minus 9. So minus 9 is the right answer here.